Hi viewers! Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the natural wonders hidden in the world of superfoods. Today, we have an enlightening topic to share: the incredible medicinal uses of flax seeds. Flax seeds have been revered for centuries as a powerhouse of nutrition and medicinal benefits. From ancient civilizations to modern-day health enthusiasts, flax seeds have played a pivotal role in promoting overall well-being. Beyond their culinary charm, flax seeds have caught the attention of scientific researchers, delving into their health benefits. We'll explore the modern scientific evidence supporting their role in promoting heart health, managing diabetes, and so much more. But wait, there's even more to discover. Flax seeds have been celebrated for their potential in promoting healthy skin, supporting digestion, and boosting the immune system. The possibilities are endless. So, fasten your seatbelts for an eye-opening adventure into the world of flax seeds' healing secrets. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our captivating content. Let's unlock the true potential of flax seeds together. See you in the video. Flax seeds, scientifically known as Linum usitatissimum, have a long history of usage as a valuable food source and medicinal remedy. Native to regions in the Middle East and Asia, flax seeds have been cultivated for thousands of years and esteemed for their exceptional nutritional composition and medicinal benefits. The ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, recognized the value of flax seeds for their healing properties. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into the medicinal uses of flax seeds, exploring their nutritional profile, historical significance, traditional applications, and the modern scientific evidence that supports their health claims. Flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with a wide array of essential nutrients. These tiny seeds are an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, and omega-3 fatty acid known for its heart protective properties. Flax seeds also provide a rich source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble, promoting healthy digestion and bowel regularity. Additionally, flax seeds contain lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant and hormone balancing effects. Moreover, flax seeds are abundant in vitamins and minerals like vitamin B1, copper, and magnesium, contributing to their impressive health benefits. Flax seeds have a significant historical legacy, with references dating back to ancient civilizations. The ancient Egyptians cultivated flax for its fibers to make linen textiles, while also recognizing the seed's nutritional and medicinal properties. Greek physicians, including Hippocrates, used flax seeds for their therapeutic benefits, advocating their use for digestive health and skin conditions. Flax seeds' historical significance extends to cultures worldwide, with various civilizations valuing them for their multifaceted healing properties. Flax seeds have been a staple in traditional medicine systems across the globe. Various cultures employed flax seeds for their healing potential in treating a wide range of health conditions. Some of the traditional medicinal uses of flax seeds include: Number 1. Digestive health. Flax seeds have been traditionally used to alleviate constipation and promote healthy bowel movements due to their high fiber content. The mucilage in flax seeds helps soothe the digestive tract, providing relief from gastrointestinal discomfort. Number 2. Cardiovascular health. The omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, in flax seeds play a crucial role in maintaining heart health. Studies suggest that flax seeds can help reduce blood pressure and inflammation, contributing to improved cardiovascular function. Number 3. Skin health. Flaxseed oil, when applied topically, can hydrate the skin and promote a healthy complexion. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of flax seeds may contribute to their potential benefits for skin health. Number 4. Immune support. Flax seeds' nutritional composition, including vitamins and minerals, supports the immune system, helping the body defend against infections and diseases. Number 1. Cardiovascular health. Studies indicate that flax seeds' ALA content can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, bad cholesterol, and improve overall heart health. Regular consumption of flax seeds may contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease. Number 2. Diabetes management. Flax seeds' soluble fiber can slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to better blood sugar control and improved insulin sensitivity. These effects may be beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Number 4. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that flax seeds' lignans may have potential anti-cancer effects, particularly in hormone-related cancers like breast and prostate cancer. However, more research is needed to fully understand their impact on cancer prevention and treatment. Number 1. Flaxseed smoothies. Add ground flax seeds to your favorite smoothie for an extra nutritional boost and a thicker texture. Number 2. Flaxseed yogurt topping. Sprinkle whole or ground flax seeds on top of yogurt or smoothie bowls for a crunchy and nutritious topping. Number 3. Flaxseed baked goods. Substitute a portion of flour with ground flax seeds in baking recipes to enhance the nutritional profile of your baked goods. Number 4. Flaxseed salad dressing. Mix ground flax seeds with olive oil and vinegar to create a healthy and flavorful salad dressing. Flax seeds, with their impressive nutritional profile and medicinal significance, have rightfully earned their place as a valuable superfood. From their historical use by ancient civilizations to their endorsement by modern scientific research, flax seeds continue to captivate health enthusiasts worldwide. As with any dietary supplement, it is essential to consume flax seeds in moderation and as part of a balanced diet to maximize their potential health benefits. With their versatility and potential to enhance overall well-being, flax seeds are a valuable addition to any health-conscious individual's pantry. Embrace the wisdom of ancient traditions and the insights of modern research as you unlock the healing potential of flax seeds for your health journey. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video.